The best cryptocurrency hardware wallets in 2021. Crypto wallets are a key part of owning cryptocurrency. Unlike storing money in a bank, when you store your cryptocurrencies in a wallet, you're completely in control. In this video, we'll explain why you should have a hardware or software wallet if you don't already, and what are the best wallets out there. So, don't miss this video and stay with us until the end, where we tell you our favorite wallet. You could also get some bonuses if you stay till the end. Hey everybody, welcome to the Crypto HODL Club, where you can learn and stay up to date with the cryptocurrency market. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Alright, let's get started. So, what is a crypto wallet, you might ask? A crypto wallet is where you can safely store your crypto. Your crypto wallet is considered your wallet address on the blockchain. Crypto wallet addresses exist in a particular domain. You can also access and utilize them through a software or hardware wallet. There are many different types of wallets out there. For example, there are software wallets for mobile and also desktop, hardware wallets, which are offline, web wallets, exchange wallets, and even paper wallets. Data has shown that hardware wallets are the most secure and most favored among long-term holders. Cryptocurrency wallets held by exchanges are actually similar to a bank account. An online crypto exchange wallet doesn't give you full control over your cryptos, but makes accessing, receiving, or sending crypto more convenient. The problem with exchange wallets, however, is that they don't usually give you your keys, and as they say, not your keys, not your crypto. So we don't recommend keeping large amounts of crypto in exchange wallets. If you're a hodler, make sure to transfer your crypto to a safer wallet. Software wallets are installed on a mobile phone or computer that provide users access to their private keys. Therefore, it gives you full access to your cryptocurrency wallet and the crypto it contains. The important thing about software wallets is that when you install these wallets, it shows you a series of words in order, which is your recovery password. And this code should not be given to people in any way. Hardware wallets function similarly to software wallets in that users have full control over their digital assets, with the added benefit that crypto hardware wallets are totally offline and therefore the most secure place to store your crypto. Here are the best hardware wallets of 2021. Keep in mind that there are links to all of these wallets in the description. Ledger Nano S. The first wallet we're going to look at is the Ledger Nano S. Interestingly, despite the arrival of newer models, the Ledger Nano S, the best-selling digital currency wallet, still retains its use and is more reasonably priced than the newer models. The wallet, which looks like a flash drive, connects to your computer or laptop via a micro USB cable. You need physical access to the wallet to be able to make transactions. This makes Ledger Nano S and other hardware wallets more secure and less hackable. This wallet uses a 4-digit password, and if you enter this password incorrectly 3 times, the wallet will automatically clear its data. The wallet has a 24-word phrase for recovery so that if you lost or damaged your wallet, you can recover it with this code. This wallet supports many currencies due to its updates. Trezor Model T. The second item we're looking at is the Trezor Model T wallet. This wallet entered the market 2 years after the launch of the Ledger Nano S in 2018. This wallet looks like a car alarm remote. The reason for this appearance is so that it doesn't attract any attention. One of the disadvantages of this wallet against Ledger Nano S is that it has a plastic body material and that it supports a smaller number of cryptocurrencies. Also, the price of this wallet is more than 3 times that of the Ledger Nano S. The connection type is via a USB-C port. The user interface designed for this currency has Bridge client software and has the best user interface in terms of ease of use. The Trezor Model T, like the Ledger Nano S, has a 24-word retrieval phrase. Keep Key. The third wallet we want to introduce is the Keep Key wallet. It looks like an external hard drive and has a good body material, except for its OLED display, which can be easily damaged. The connection to this wallet is via a USB-C port. KeepKey, like its other competitors, uses a 12-word recovery sentence. The interesting thing about the security design of this wallet is the completely random transfer of numbers when entering the initial password. Perhaps the biggest disadvantage to this wallet is its lack of support for many currencies that are supported by the other wallets we mentioned today. The user interface of this wallet is also very easy to use. Probably the biggest advantage of this wallet is its price. In general, this wallet may not be everyone's first choice, but due to its more reasonable price, it has found a great place in the market. Ledger Nano X. The last wallet on this list, and of course our favorite, is the Ledger Nano X, which was introduced to the market about 2 years ago and is one of the newer and more reputable wallets. One of the differences between the Ledger Nano X and the S model is the ability to connect via Bluetooth, which means you no longer need to use the USB port. This wallet, like its older model, the Ledger Nano S, looks like a flash drive and has a steel cover. Compared to the Trezor Model T, the Ledger Nano X provides more security due to its special user interface, the Live Ledger, which must be installed on your computer. In terms of the variety of supported currencies, it's also in a better position than the Trezor Model T. In general, this wallet has more advantages than the Trezor Model T, and its price is a little lower. Don't forget, we have links to all of these wallets in the description. If you liked today's video, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know down in the comments if there's any subject you want us to cover in our future videos. And also, according to what we said in this video, which crypto wallet would you use and why? See you in the next video.